Hi friends, this is Agnello Rajesh here. Today is the 2nd of May 2024. It's 12:30 p.m. in this beautiful, gorgeous place in Koregaon Park, Pune. And this is what I love, Sante Spa Cuisine. Been here so many times. In fact, this was my first Sante visit ever, just a couple of years back. And now I'm not here for Sante only, but something new which is going to be put up to the public today onwards on the 2nd of May 2024. And that something new is something that you can see over here. That's the logo for it. The J, which stands for Jubilee. A beautiful new place created by my partner. That's the creative person here, Sonal Barmecha, a magician with food. The way food needs to look, the way the food needs to taste, and the way food needs to be dramatically different than what you have experienced ever. Can you see this small little place outside the Jubilee? It's an amazing place. In a very short while, I'll tell you what Jubilee is all about. And that is the magic of Sonal and Shailendra, Chef Shailendra Kekade. See the minutest details. Jubilee is a very retro concept, and I'll explain to you what do I mean by saying that. This small garden over here looks so peaceful and nice. The entire setup is so soothing and pleasant to the eyes. Feels so nice and warm to the heart as well. So Jubilee is our new concept, our new project, our new brand. It's a gelateria, it's a bakehouse, it's a cafe and a bar all together. Now we are all not new to the concept of cafes and bars across the world, but what's been created here by Sonal and our new partner Anushruti is something amazing. Anushruti is called as the Gelato Girl, and that's what she's blended into this new beautiful project of Jubilee. If you see this graffiti, it's amazing creativity, and all this only Sonal Barmecha can do this. So that's her magic. It's still incomplete. There is going to be a bench which is coming up. In fact, it is coming up right now as we speak, and that's Moise there lending a hand to making sure that this green carpet over here gets very pretty when this sitting bench is being installed there. So that's what it's supposed to be doing. This might not be the best product to be kept here at the moment, but I'm sure Sonal is planning something so that this can be an Instagrammable wall, which it is today, even today in this condition. So it's an amazing place. The logo of Jubilee, the colors that she's used, in fact she is wearing the same color today. So she's the Jubilee girl today, and that's the beautiful setup. A lot of flowery welcome to the guests today when we open it up for public. A lot of glass, transparent glass, which gives you the outdoor feel of this beautiful place here in Koregaon Park, common wall with Osho Ashram. So it's an amazing feeling. There has been a great minutest detailing which has happened in Jubilee. The tiles, the combination of the cream with the blue, it's amazing. If you see the decor on the walls over here, it's unique colors, and white and red is also one theme that Jubilee is going to be following pretty aggressively. What's most interesting is the way the ceiling has come out. So this has been designed by our very dear friend, Saji, along with Sonal Barmecha, and what Sonal envisioned is what Saji actually put it up in action. So the ceiling is so pretty and so beautiful, and these flowers, the colors that you see on the roof of these flowers are the colors of which the furniture has been made of. So if you see a blue flower on the top, there is a blue furniture. If there is this kind of a color, the pista green, you've got a pista green on the ceiling, the flower on the ceiling. So the color coordination, the color combination, the wallpaper on the wall, the structure, the table, it's all amazingly synchronized. And the feeling in here is absolutely magical. So it is Jubilee with the theme of retro. That's a very unique concept that Sonal has got implemented, and that's a wooden wall. She's fixed up. She's got a projector installed, and this wooden wall will always have this image from the projector of the most famous lady that the world knows, the beautiful Marilyn Monroe. So it's all about retro. If you see the wall, the little details on the wall, the plates which were specially selected, the designs were selected by Sonal and team and got implemented onto the plates. They got it specially printed onto the plates. If you see the minutest of the detailing, the furniture is dramatically different. The sitting area, this is a cozy couple seating where of course 5 people can come, but even if you are 2 people, you can sit in here and have a small celebration. And this is a fantastic, very cozy corner for 2 or more couples or 2 or more people at the same time. So amazing being in here. Even the air conditioning units are color coded and blended into the overall decor. These beautiful little lights over here. The way the uniforms are made. So I would like to call Dave here. So Dave is going to be a part of the team, and even his t-shirt, including his name on his heart, including the design of Jubilee, the logo of Jubilee, and all the graffiti that has been created on his t-shirt are personal choices that Dave has chosen. So it's amazing detailing to the minutest possibility. This is definitely going to be a very interesting menu. The speciality of Sonal Barmecha and Chef Shailendra Kekade is they experiment with food. They create dishes which are not generally available any part of the world, and that's their signature. That's their presence with heart and soul into the business that they engage with. Whether it is Sante Spa Cuisine or now Jubilee, you will have a lot of uniqueness in the menu and in the cuisine. So this is going to be a display counter of all the various dishes which are going to be offered, savories which are going to be offered, open sandwiches, and trust me, whatever is being made over here is definitely going to be 100% vegetarian, because that's what Sonal is, and that's what Chef Shailendra Kekade now specializes in. So I will request Sonal to come and explain to us about what the menu is all about. So gelatos is going to be the speciality of Jubilee, and that's why Jubilee was created. So Sonal is going to speak something about the gelatos that are there, and I think the gelato girl is also here.
Yeah, she will explain
so
about
the gelato girl will explain now. So that's Anushruti, that's our new partner here, and she'll explain about the gelatos. Anushruti.
Hi. So we realized that there's a dearth of traditional Italian gelatos made in the most authentic way, especially in Pune. We could not find any real gelatos. Also, our aim was to create. So traditionally, gelatos are made out of whole milk and egg yolks, but we decided to make it in a vegetarian version. So a lot of trials and errors, and later we had the perfect recipe. I wanted to create this a whole world of world-class gelateria in Pune, and that is the concept I took to Sonal. Sonal showed real interest in it and said, "Bang on, we'll do it," and that's how Jubilee was created.
So I'll correct you here. Sonal didn't show interest in gelaterio to begin with. She showed interest in Anushruti, who was so passionate about gelatos, and that's how this whole concept of Jubilee has taken place, has been born today on the 2nd of May. That's going to be open for public. And Sonal and Anushruti got together and created this beautiful combination, some very unique flavors. The concept and the theme remains the same. Honesty in whatever you create, honesty in whatever you offer to your customers and your clients, and they are going to be thrilled with what's going to be served to them on their plate. So I would want Anushruti to explain every gelato that's there in this display unit. We'll begin with this unit and then we'll go to that unit.
Yes.
So can you explain it
So starting from the most favorite flavor for everyone, it is Gyandua. Gyandua is actually chocolate, a combination of chocolate and hazelnut. It's like a very creamy form of Nutella in your mouth. It's a burst of very nutty and chocolatey flavors. Then we have sea salt toffee. This is caramelized toffee. Then we put some sea salt in it, and that is how that gelato is created. The very, very basic, but not so basic here in Jubilee, it is called our French vanilla. It's a triple toasted French vanilla. So here we toast the vanilla beans, we toast our sugar, we also toast the milk powder. Now that is a triple toasted process by which we get our French vanilla. Then that is a kid favorite, bubble gum, a bright pink bubble gum. So yesterday we had a lot of kids, and as you can see, half the can is already empty. This is my favorite. This flavor is very nostalgic. It is a citrusy sorbet. It is like you know, those hot sunny days, we used to come out of school and you know, our parents used to get us those orange lollies. It is that. This is a very nostalgic sorbet and it is very close to my heart also. That is real pistachios, real Sicilian pistachios. We make our own pistachio butter and then out of that butter we create this gelato. It's a very nutty and really a real pistachio flavor. Then this is for adults only. It's a Bailey's gelato. This has Bailey's, the famous liquor which is made out of coffee, and then we've created the gelato out of this. This is a very unique gelato. So miso is a jam. It's a Japanese jam which is very spicy. Now we have created very spicy and very flavorful. Now we have created a gelato out of the miso jam.
Wow, that's fabulous. So we go to the next section and this also looks pretty interesting.
So and coming to our names, so we have a mango gelato which says man goes to Jubilee.
Fantastic.
Because we have given our basic flavors a Jubilee twist. Now this is dark night, the darkest chocolate. So this is dark chocolate extra noir. And if you are a person who likes 70% cocoa and more, this one is for you. Then we have apple pie. This is apple pie plus cinnamon. It's if you like apple pie, then you like that cinnamony flavor. This flavor is literally a burst of flavors in your mouth. It is appley, it is cinnamony, it is sweet, and it is just the perfect blend of all those flavors. This is very, very unique flavor. I bet you can't find it anywhere. It is Chef Shailene Kekede's own creation. This is cheese and tomato. So we've mixed cream cheese and we've mixed tomato. And this is a savory sorbet. This is a highlight of Jubilee. Again, we have another version of pistachio without the toffees. And this is a burnt butter gelato. We have burnt the butter. So butter has this very good quality. When you burn the butter, the flavors come out different. So we burn the butter and then make the gelato with burnt butter.
Awesome, that's fantastic. Thank you so much, Anushruti. It's a tongue twister name. I'll take some time to say that very smoothly. And what Sonal has also done, along with the gelatos that will be available here in Jubilee, she has created a very unique bake house. A lot of variety made in a very different way. So whatever you will ever have, whether it is Swantes Park Cuisine or whether it is Jubilee, whatever you will always have will be extremely unique. Like the cheese and tomato flavor which Chef Shailendra has invented. So I think this will be the first offering in the world of that particular combination. That's the uniqueness that these names are always associated with. Sonal Barmecha, Shailendra Kekade, Swantes Park Cuisine, Jubilee, and now all of us. So Anushruti is the new find to the team, and I'm sure she's going to add more flavors and more thrill to the journey of Jubilee. So Sonal, can you explain us what all of this is going to be as an offering to the public?
Yeah, so whenever I wanted to eat these veggies, I never found in vegetarian. So I told chef, can we just make this vegetarian? And he really cracked them so well, and these are without egg. I'm so happy that I can on my cheat days savor this. We're making mama cakes, choco chip cakes, madeleines, and again the cheesecake is my one of the favorite because it is high in protein, and whenever I want to eat a dessert I can binge on it. And again, I never got a vegetarian cheesecake, so we created, of course chef is a magician when it comes to food, and he created for us vegetarian cheesecake with a perfect texture.
So this is the open counter which will be displaying whatever is available here in Jubilee, made very uniquely and in a very artistic way. In fact, Sonal has gone to the extent of not only matching her clothes with the logos of Jubilee, but she also went to the extent of matching the food being offered in the colors of Jubilee. So you can see a green burger, you can see a pink burger. These are all colors of Jubilee, and I would request Sonal to explain some of the dishes which are on display.
So let me not tell you exactly what the flavors and all. These are flatbreads. There are some surprises. You should come here and try what flavors we are serving you all. This is our, as you said, these are our, very amazing and yummy and tasty burgers which kids will like, elders will like. And one very unique thing about Jubilee is we have something for everybody. Maybe it's a kid, it's a small bacha, 5-year-old, teenager, oldies. We have everything. And nobody would go disappointed from here. This is a Korean band. This is my favorite and this is called Good Malai. It's nostalgic. जो बचपन में हम लोग मक्खन शक्कर ब्रेड पे खाते थे, वो this chef has created and really love this. These are all healthy offerings on brioche bread. That's it for the day.
Awesome. So that's an amazing job done by Sonal Barmecha and team, and every little detail in this magical place of Jubilee at Koregaon Park next to Sante Spa Cuisine, common wall with Osho Ashram, Lane 1 is going to be just amazing. Small detailings like the lights on the ceiling. Everything has a great touch of creativity, and hospitality today is not only great food served in a great design or in a great design crockery, it's all about the ambience as well. It is 1 o'clock, around 1 o'clock in the afternoon. It's bright and sunny, it's summertime in our country here in India. But if you realize that this place, you can just imagine the way it looks during the day and the way it would look in the night is definitely going to be very romantic, very amazing, very soothing and peaceful and calming and meditative in nature for anybody and everybody who's going to come here and experience a taste of our gelaterios or the bake house products that we have just displayed over here. And this screen is going to be the icing on the cake in the evenings when it is going to get darker and the screen getting in brighter. So I'm sure even Marilyn Monroe, her soul will be happy about what we have created out of her beautiful smile and the image with the gelato that she's experiencing on that photo being displayed on the wooden wall. So it's all about creativity, it's all about design, the furniture, the look, the feel, the flooring, the ceiling, the walls, the open counters, the crockery, absolute every detail is going to be a thrill, a pleasure. And once you come in here, you'll want to keep coming here repeatedly. That's the promise of Jubilee. So whenever you are here in Pune, and for all the people from Pune, this is a new place to be in and enjoy your dash of desserts. And mind you, whatever is made here is absolutely 100% without a doubt vegetarian. So all the vegetarian guys over there, you definitely need to come in here, and all the other people as well can enjoy guilt-free desserts over here in a very nice way, along with the bakehouse products which are available all the time. So we are open here from today, that is the 2nd of May 2024, and we'll map this journey together, beginning with Koregaon Park in Pune. We will be taking Jubilee to multiple other locations in the country and abroad also. So all the best to all of us, and all the best to everyone who has been a part of the Sante Spa Cuisine family and will now join us in our journey of Jubilee. Bye for now.